So listen, this isn't even the video I had planned for today, but I guess I'm gonna end up dropping that in a couple days, maybe tomorrow, who knows. And this one, low-key, I got blessed twice. I'm sitting at the barbershop because you feel me, my hat's been fitting a little tight lately. I was looking in the mirror, I'm like, damn, yo, my shit wolfing, what's going on? It's getting hot out there, I gotta get my shit together. So I went to the barber today and I made sure I had my alarm on for 10 a.m. because I missed the Jarrito dunks. I was sleeping, stupid. But the Thunder's releasing today, I was definitely not gonna miss that shit. And I'm gonna get into it in a little bit, but if y'all do end up enjoying this quick little video, make sure you leave a like, subscribe down below, and let me know what else y'all would like to see. Also, let me know in the comments if you ended up copping, dropping, did you actually even try for these, or did you skip? Let me know in the comments. I'm gonna be dropping my brand NORI by the end of the month. Click the link at the top of the description. I'm gonna give everyone who signed up 10% off, but I feel like I'm yapping, so let's go ahead and get straight into this little sneakers cook up, you feel me? Honestly, I'm sitting at the barber shop. It's like a minute before drop and I'm just scrolling through, you feel me? I'm trying to see what's going on with them realistically. Like, are they looking as nice as the videos looking on these pictures? All shit like that, bro. And I'm honestly just patiently waiting for 10 a.m. to hit. Let me know if this was you this morning. Shit's been saying coming soon for a little bit, and as soon as this shit popped up, I'm in this bitch, bro. I'm like, yo, let me get these, you feel me? I'm adding my shit. I start switching the size because low-key, I got these in a 10 and that was a big ass mistake, which we'll talk about in the future. That ass, bro, that's it. Y'all already know how Sneakers app goes. Add all my information and I low-key put my card in because the previous couple drops, it hasn't even been letting me pay. Like on the restock for the Jordan 1s, it wasn't letting me pay. Shit was tripping, you feel me? But on this screen, you can see right here that it's saying verifying submissions, removing bots, checking availability. This is a new screen that the Sneakers app is adding, I guess. Basically trying to reassure us that they're trying to remove bots. I saw an article recently that basically said that that's what they're doing. They're removing like 90% of entries because it's all bots, which is crazy. But at this point, I clicked out of it. It says pending and I'm just scrolling through the pictures trying to see my future sneaker, you feel me? I was really feeling like I was gonna hit on these, so I wasn't even stressed. I knew at some point I was gonna hit for these shits for retail and I just believed in it. After this, low-key, my barber called me up like, yo, come to the chair. I'm like, all right, whatever, bro, fuck it. I lock my phone, go get my hair cut, and as soon as I get up from my haircut, I check my phone, obviously, because I'm about to come back home and shit, and I got this screen, bro. Low-key gas, bro. I hit the shit and I noticed that I got this screen right here. Yes, it's been a minute. I'm gonna show y'all the last sneakers pickup in a bit. Yeah, it's been a minute since I hit, bro. I got them straight from the Sneakers app. No bullshit, no third-party apps, no resell needed. I don't know if people sleeping on these shits, but luckily I got my pair. I remember my homie Jay had these shits in high school and these was fire, bruh. So I'm gassed to have these in the collection. Honestly, let me know if y'all ended up going for these on the Sneakers app. I feel like people last minute started flaking on these. I don't know what it is, but for me, this was honestly a must cop. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. Definitely had to pick these up. I honestly feel like that nostalgia, the colors, it all adds to it when it comes to this sneaker. There's not too many Jordan 4s with this yellow on it. I know a lot of people saying the Lightnings are better, this, that, and the third, but I honestly feel like this is a more wearable sneaker. Let me know in the comments if y'all agree. Did y'all sleep on these? Did y'all want them and took a L? I am also going to be doing a review on them and comparing them to the Red Thunders if these don't sell before then. I want to see which ones I like more in person. I don't know why people haven't done it yet. Once they come in, I'm going to be comparing them to the Red Thunders and we going to see, bro. I'm going to be unbiased. I'm honestly going to look at it from a wearability perspective. I do feel like these are clean. I'm not going to lie to y'all, but I just feel like the red is a little too harsh on them. Let me know in the comments which y'all prefer and we'll talk about it a little bit more in detail once they touch down. The last sneaker I hit for retail on the Sneakers app was these bricks right here, the Jordan 2 Chicagos. These shits flopped, bruh. I don't know why or how, because it's literally the OG colorway. I don't think it's a bad shoe. It's just a little bit too bulky for me. I might regret buying these. I don't know. Y'all gonna see an upcoming video where I talk about the sneakers that I regret buying. I'm debating if this is gonna make that list, but it might, bro. I'm not gonna lie. The Chicago Jordan 2s, they alright. Do you need them in the collection? I don't know, bro. Like, if I'm gonna wear a Chicago, it's gonna be the Jordan 1s. This is the last retail dub that I had, Chicago Jordan 2s. So when I saw this screen right here, I was gassed up, bro. I'm not gonna lie to y'all. This is a clean pickup and I'm glad to add them to the collection. Let me know if this pair of Jordan 4s is one that you skipped on or one that you wanted in the collection, took an L on, or considering paying resale for, which speaking of, resale's like $272 for my size before fees, obviously. Damn near is retail if I try to sell them on the app, but if you try to buy them bitches gonna be like $300. This is definitely a pair that's gonna creep up resale wise. It's an OG colorway. People are just sleeping right now. The sneaker market's kind of fluctuating and things are weird right now, but once there's more stability, a lot of these pairs that we see bricking right now are gonna go up. That's just how I feel. I feel like the sneaker game isn't always gonna be this dull or this stagnant, especially with so much heat dropping. Down the line, these bitches gonna go up. This is one of the pairs that I feel like might just do that. Look at the cool grays, black cats, a bunch of other pairs that have basically done exactly what I'm saying this might do. I'm just saying, I'm glad I hit on these for retail. I don't know if I would have paid resale for this one. There's too many sneakers on my list of kicks that I'm trying to pick up. Personally, don't know if this would have been one of them for resale, but for retail, shit, I'll take it. You feel me? Clean pickup. I'm gassed for these right here. Let me know if y'all slept in the comments. That pretty much does it for this video. If you enjoyed, leave a like on it down below, subscribe for more content, and let me know what y'all would like to see in the comments. Also, let me know what was the last retail dub that you had or your last resale dub. You feel me? I want to know what was the last pickup you had. And I do got more content on the way. Low-key had another video I was working on for today, but that's gonna have to drop within the next couple days. Then there's gonna be a video after that that has to do with that video. It's a little shit going on right now. I also did officially announce that my brand is gonna be dropping before the month ends, so please go to NORI.co. It's gonna be the top link in the description and sign up for my newsletter so you do get 10% off. If you like any of these tees right here, do that for me, bro. This is a start of something new, head ass, the start of something big. I promise y'all, it's just the beginning and I got so much more shit that I'm working on in the pipeline. You feel me? We cooking up. More shit's coming for sure. I'm not letting up, bro. I'm coming for next. It's done for, bro. I'm going crazy and y'all could be a part of this journey with me. You feel me? That positive mentality, gang. We going crazy. I love y'all for life. Thank you for coming through, and if you're watching this part of the video, leave a comment saying we taking over, and I hope y'all have a great Mother's Day if you're a parent. If not, show your mama some love on Mother's Day. You don't know how much time we got left with them. I love y'all for life, and with all that being said, I'm gonna catch y'all on the next one. Peace, stay up, and I'm out.